this is what happened today. Got that strut out of the way, sitting on the cart here at the end of the day. I did pipe down with some flex, 3/4 flex out of this box down to here for a chime strobe fire alarm device. It's a little crooked at the moment, it'll get fixed. We'll have to pipe out of here eventually to go into this room and 90 down for this ceiling over there. But basically today I worked on cutting these struts right here and laying out my apprentice and getting all this material to keep him busy. So what we did over here, like I said yesterday, was finished up here, 90 into this box. So he did all this room. So far it's turned out really nice, so it's doing a good job. So he got it from there up to here with this box. And then he got this MC ran, which also looks nice. Not in the box yet. And then that 90s into the middle of the room with some flex on the end of it for the future light, and stealing power out of that box once we pull the wire, stealing power out of there and routing that over down to this box right here for a receptacle, and then back up out of here again to this receptacle, and then over to this receptacle. We had it going straight out across the wall, and then once we were done, they wanted the data, so we had to rip it out and put the data boxes in. So this one has got started. These have to get, it's a hard lid like I said, so this has to go outside of this room, so just 90 straight out of the wall right there, and then the same thing right here, just gonna 90 up, match those two. Gonna go both out sideways, just stub them out there. And then we're gonna take another pipe right here, 90 out, up onto this strut right here, mount a J-box for some power poles that are gonna be in this area right here soon. So that's the plan for that. Everything's turned out really nice so far. I really like it. So happy about that. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. And that's pretty much it for today. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys all have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. See you in the next one. Peace.